In Westchester County, the road conditions were so difficult, the county suspended its bus system this afternoon.
We also saw many drivers get stranded altogether. Dick Brennan joins us live from Mount Vernon with more on this. Dick, you saw a lot of action, or I should say, little action on the Major Deacon today.
Well, it's truly been a brutal day and night on the roads, Alan and Christine. We can tell you, by the way, the mayor just drove by here with her patrol to see how it's going, and she says they're doing the best they can. But we can tell you that the roads Westchester-wide are still not in good shape, even the highways. If you got to get out in the morning, you got to be careful, and here's why. Tonight, the plow trucks were like the cavalry riding to the rescue. Even so, the Cross County Parkway in Yonkers was a long way from blacktop, and there was no easy rescue for this guy in his car near exit 14 on the Hutch in Harrison. He's trying to shovel his way off an off-ramp. All day long, people were spinning their wheels. This is what it looked like on the Deegan at the exit 14 ramp, a dead end for drivers. And the side streets were no bargain either. If you're like this guy and you have to go to work tomorrow, well, it's time to dig in. And then you're going to get this out of here.
Not tonight. Not tonight.
Come back for more tomorrow morning?
Oh, yeah. I'll have an easier job tomorrow morning. For
some places like Pizza in Mount Vernon, there's no business like snow business. You making the boxes for pizza?
Yes, a lot of pizza tonight.
How's it going tonight?
Very crazy. Overbusy.
Local plow trucks were working overtime.
Heading to maybe 10 a.m. in the morning.
All night long?
All night long.
Wow. You need some coffee.
Yeah, for sure.
Cities say they have their crews working around the clock.
Well, I think this is probably the most snow that we've gotten in about 10 years here. In
Mount Vernon Mayor Sean Patterson Howard says tomorrow kids will be getting a real snow day.
Even those who are in the 5th and 6th grade, this is kind of the first snow that they'll be able to play in at this depth.
These kids in Bronxville aren't waiting. You guys got a snow day tomorrow?
Yes!
You're a little excited about that?
Yes!
I thought so. Have fun.
Thank you.
At least we know the kids are going to be happy tomorrow. As for everyone else, we're not so sure. Now, behind me, this parkway, they've been working on it all night long. They still got a long way to go, so you can only imagine what the side roads are looking like, and I can just tell you they're not in great shape. It's going to be a few days before a lot of this gets cleared out. So please take your time and take it slow. We're live in Westchester County. Dick Brennan, CBS News, New York.
A few days and around-the-clock work there and a lot of other places, we are sure. Dick, thank you.
Also in Westchester County, a home security camera caught a startling moment during the storm. Take a look. This was in Bedford Corners around 3 p.m. The snow slid off the roof of a home and then onto the backyard patio. The wind may have contributed to this scene that really looked like an avalanche, and that was a lot of snow on that roof because it went for a good long time there.
That's insane there. All right, something a little lighter here. Some video for you from McCarran Park in Williamsburg. A massive snowball fight, if we have that there. Oh, yeah, there it is. The planned meetup spread on social media, and a big crowd turned out. That's got to be over 100 people I'm counting out there, it looks like. Snow, look, they're not good throwers or snowball makers. You did say this snow was a little too fluffy to...
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Alan, you are right, but that is a tough snowball fight when you're just kind of like pushing it at people.
Snow dust.